Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Memory leaks can be a significant issue in Node.js applications, leading to performance degradation and crashes over time. Identifying and fixing memory leaks is crucial for maintaining a healthy application. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to find memory leaks in a Node.js application. Understanding memory leaks. A memory leak occurs when a program allocates memory but fails to release it back to the operating system after it is no longer needed. In Node.js, common causes of memory leaks include global variables, closures that hold onto variables longer than necessary, unintended references to objects, unmanaged event listeners. Tools for finding memory leaks. 1. Node.js built-in tools, process.memory usage, can give you insights into memory consumption. 2. Heap snapshots, you can use the Chrome DevTools to take heap snapshots and analyze memory usage. 3. Third-party libraries, tools like MemWatch Next and Node MemWatch can help monitor memory usage. Steps to identify memory leaks. 1. Monitor memory usage. Start by monitoring memory usage over time. 2. Take heap snapshots. Use Chrome DevTools to capture heap snapshots at different intervals. 3. Analyze the snapshots. Compare the snapshots to identify what objects are consuming memory. 4. Look for detached DOM nodes. If you're using libraries that manipulate the DOM, ensure that you remove event listeners and references appropriately. Example code. Let's create a simple Node.js application with a potential memory leak and then demonstrate how to detect it. Step 1. Create a sample application. Create a file named memoryleakexample.js. Step 2. Monitor memory usage. You can use the following code snippet to log memory usage periodically. Step 3. Run the application. Run the application. Step 4. Test the application. You can use a tool like curl or a web browser to send requests. Add items to the global array. Check memory usage logs and observe if it continues to grow. Step 5. Capture heap snapshots. 1. Open Chrome and navigate to Chrome//inspect. 2. Click on Open Dedicated DevTools for Node. 3. Use the Memory tab to take a heap snapshot. 4. Take multiple snapshots while sending requests to the /add endpoint. Step 6. Analyze the snapshots. Compare the snapshots to see which objects are retained in memory. Look for unexpected growth in the global array size. Fixing the memory leak. In our example, we can fix the memory leak by ensuring that we clear the global array properly when it is no longer needed or limit the number of items it can hold. Conclusion. Detecting and fixing memory leaks in Node.js applications involves monitoring memory usage, taking heap snapshots, and analyzing the data to identify retained objects. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can effectively manage memory in your Node.js applications and ensure they run smoothly over time.